Hello, everybody. Welcome back. And today we are once again basically doing Kahoot in Golang. Same stick, same business, same way. Maybe we should push because I haven't pushed in a while. So take a look. My lot of stuff that I should be putting in my. So the static goes here. The sum, of course. Don't even know what's in the TMP to be 100%. Okay, so that's the. I feel like the git ignore stuff is kinda shit. Exe, DDL, test. Like this stuff is for Windows. So shit. The outputs, like there's a lot of stuff. That doesn't make any sense. Let's put here TMP, tailwind CSS, and bin. Read that this are not needed. Okay, sounds good. So let's go with working on sockets. The other day I managed to start the socket. Basically, we're able to hit an upgrade on the line, which is neat. So we can air it. We can tailwind it. So basically, when I connect, we do hit the socket. Now, the second thing is message type PR connected message. Like when we send this one, we should be seeing in the logs the message, but there's nothing there. So let's go back and take a look at how exactly this should be supposed to be written. So we have a form. My input has a name, which I believe it is correct. That's what's happening. For name type, id form vs send, and it's inside a span. Oh, it's not inside the span vs token. Oh. Wonder if that changes anything. That changes everything. Okay. And this message is a byte, right? So I can make like, I believe it was strings dot to lower to upper to string, no. From bytes to string. Golang. It's just string. So string of my P. Cannot write. Okay, I did not push anything, by the way. Okay, write it down. Strings imported and not used. My bad. Okay. So we will load it up and say astf. And we have message, chat message ads. Okay, that's him. And I'm cold already. Let me do this. Okay. In the midst of the time. Right, now, should take a look at how do we parse this, essentially. That looks like a JSON. Like this looks like a JSON. So that would mean that I could theoretically convert this going from bytes to JSON. Con read message. JSON.bit. I'm having a hard time converting a byte into a valid JSON. Yeah, this one. Map. Okay. Use var JSON map string interface arm and Marshall. Oh, so that's the Marshall business. Okay, let's take a look. That's why I love GPT. Oh my god. And Marshall bytes into JSON in Golang. The language that goes. Do I need to specify the JSON? Conversion to map string interface. That's the one. This is precisely what I want. Undefined JSON data because it's a P. Undefined JSON. Add import JSON encoding. Okay. Which means that now I can print the JSON chat. What's chat message? Yeah, chat message. What? Compact and Marshall, new decoder, daily. The fuck do I access an element? Result. Oh, I don't want to pick my JSON, he wants to pick my result. Result. Shot massage. Okay, looks like it's starting. Socket connected. Of course, there's no JSON just so far. Okay. Dog. It is dog. I don't need to print it anymore. So this can be replaced by any. Oh, yeah, it looks better. Error marching JSON return. That's a good way to put it. And we can make it like in the reverse. I should think about what I send back. We do hit it every time. or warning annoy me. Wait. This should be stuck with its error. Don't know why this is. Oh, okay, this is one-liner. Very well. So, at this point, the next thing we should want to do is to send back a message. And see how that answers it. Is HTMX even good? Yes, it is. It depends what you expect it to be. The HTMX, it is simply an easy way to use Ajax. That's just it. It's an Ajax library. And I don't get to use React, so every day that I don't use React is a great day. Let's take a look how should I write back to the client, because once I get the message, write and read message methods, send and receive. Okay, so I'm writing back the same stuff, basically. But nothing is happening on the client. Is Go even good? Go is amazing. Honestly, if I could choose tomorrow, any job, any language, I would choose 100% Go. Because basically you have all the advantages of it being modern. So stuff is greatly, there's a lot of amazing tooling. It is static, so you have the types. And finally, it is, you have garbage collection, so it's easy to use. To me personally, since I work in web dev, I don't need anything else. Okay, we could try to write the mess. Theoretically speaking, I'm writing a message, which would be the same message that I'm sending. Are you good with JS? I guess not. I haven't worked an actual job in JS, but I don't like it. I see. So those one of the languages that it's not like the language that I don't like. I don't like React. Oh yeah, Emperor, thank you for the follow. I don't like the tooling. I believe it gets way crazier than it needs to be. Like I had a little bit of React on my own. Like this, the same project I have written in React or Next.js, and simply isn't that smooth as an experience. So until if there's a reason to use it, because there are reasons to use React, that's great. But most of the sites they just fetching data, so React is here. Mouse or trackpad? Mouse. Or even better, Vim without mouse. Huh. So this does write my message, but how do I catch it? I think I should be taking a look at this. Okay, so form ID, chat message, input name, configuration, create WebSocket, US binary. Receive message, that's it. The example above establish WebSocket to chatroom endpoint. Content that is sent down the WebSocket will be passed as HTML and swapped in by AD property using the same logic. All right. So that would simply mean that I just need to put here, say this guy. I'm building a web builder. Can you look at it? Thank you. A app builder. So like how it's called? Like WordPress? Sure. Link it in. I always like to take a look at what everyone else is doing. What are you writing it on? Jesus Christ. That's a big schema. Is this the chart flow? Is this the DB? Looks like DB. Logins, rows, date, IP address. I'm not quite sure. Damn, what's this up? This up feels great to build stuff. Blue is the view HTML, orange is the state data. Oh, that looks good. That's neat. What prompted you to want to? What prompted you to want to do a builder? Like, what's the? You click on the things they have coded in. Oh, dude, this is sick. What is this your website? This looks amazing. Right, so there's the styling, and this is the function. Is this row.js? Neat. Or is it compiled React? Looks way too clean to be compiled React. Damn, lovely. What is even this Nobo job? So once you click the center, open a sidebar, then deploy the dev preview. Okay, to see the actual app for this project, click the center, then open sidebar, then deploy, then dev preview. Then app name, make a project, production. Oh, not found. Date, download, open development preview. There it is. Doesn't really work because it's using local server. Yep. But this website is sick. Nobo job, front-end architect. Not gonna lie. No, I'm not going in terms of services. Well, man, gotta say, good job. I'm guessing it's not open source, but it looks amazing. Great idea. Now I understand what this is about. Thank you for checking it out. Always happy. That's the biggest part that I did not expect about Twitch. I honestly reached out here because of to practice speaking English. You may notice I'm not a native English speaker, and to build like having to speak sometimes with someone. But honestly, there's a lot of people who come in with cool stuff, and it's always amazing. English is perfect, I would say. Well, thanks. My daily language would be Italian, so there might be a little bit of a funny accent, but then Twitch helped me a lot. There's every VOD on Twitch. I was struggling for my life at the beginning. It was like it was a true struggle. Wait. Okay, there it is. So this should change. It doesn't. Yeah, I'm reading it. He says that this guy says that it should morph. Jump above established over chat room, out of bandwidth. As such, if you want to change the methods, you need to specify it. Okay, maybe I don't need to specify it. But yeah, well done. Looks clean as fuck. That's one part of programming that I'm yet not great. Is specifically the front end side, because I'm just really not that much interested in the design. I like a lot the user experience side, so make something look usable. I enjoy, but I don't enjoy anything else. All the sorts. See, there's div with the chat room should goes here. Okay, it's not chat room, it's chat message. So he put it underscore. Okay, let's try this. So this will be chat. This will be socket. As to keep the name above, and let's try with chat message. But these guys are inside the form. No, are inside the connect. So let's refresh. I want to log it out, what's going on, because I don't see anything getting logged out. Like the one other thing that I can take a look at is there's no errors. I'm getting. Did I write a message? I believe I did. Like in the Rust days this winter, well, it's still winter, but in the Rust days I had, my God, there was a lot. There were a lot of very useful people. I did struggle for my life this winter with playing with Rust. So the logger would tell me if something's wrong. So basically I'm not catching, I'm missing something from the message. From the message here, like receiving this example to chat. This example establish a WebSocket to chat room. Then it's sent down to the WebSocket will pass as HTML and swapped by the ID properly using the same of auto spans. Okay, check swap ob allows you to specify that content in a response should be swapped into the DOM somewhere other than the target. This is out of band. It allows you to piggyback. I can try this, but it doesn't feel like this is the problem. Okay, so let's make it a chat message. Again, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna run it down because I think over here in example above the form use was send is submitted. The form value was says that JSON send the nearest and close the website, in this case chat room. Service will be hidden. That includes the normal automatic reconnect. That's not it. Events. Web set event allows to observe the customization behavior. Event. Was connect. Was open. Was close. Was before message. After message. This event is triggered when a message has been completely processed by HTMX and be sent at Siemens after download. Now. After send. HTMX dev string.js will help you see WebSocket in action. Begins to bootstrap. It is located in the folder of HTMX distribution. Look at the verse test versus C. Read me for instructions. Oh, this is useful. See, reading docs always amazing. It is in. He said to me. Why do I have it twice? Okay, I need this. I need all of that. Don't currently need this specific one. So my guess is you're a front-end developer, Emperor, or Max. How do you like it? Or you like go with a vibe guy? It's in the yes. It's great seeing you. Full stack actually. Way better. Even backend gets boring a while. I really enjoy moving it around because doing something very often really gets old quick. So test versus C. This would I don't see the versus C. Son of a bitch. Maybe it was. Did I misunderstand? Because a demo website socket separated in Node.js that will help you see website in action. Begin bootstrapping your own website code. It is located in the test VSSC folder of the HTMX distribution. Like, do I have to download it? Am I missing something? Let's try it like that. HTMX VSSC. The WebSocket extension demo. Maybe I misunderstood. Like, this should be like test VSSC. Nope. Doc examples reference. Is this the bikeware HTMX? In the distribution, so maybe it is in the tags. I can download the last version and take a look. But nah, shouldn't be there. Test. Attributes. Core. Wait. Util. Scratch. Demo. Lib. Doesn't look like what I want. Checks. It is lying to me. How do I receive a message in HTMX WebSocket extension? Let's see how does this do. I have little faith in these motherfuckers because honestly, most of the time it's just a pain with no gains. So this is the message. Message from WebSocket will be inserted here. Oh, so there need to be, because this is a WebSec. No, I have the WebSec Connect. Any HTML sent to WebSec will be instantly dynamically. Yeah. What does he send back? HTMX expects HTML. Oh, that's interesting. I mean, honestly, strings are HTML, but whatever. Undefined message. And that would be byte. Don't understand why would it. What does print want from me precisely? Prints according to any form, whatever. Let's take a look to this. Does it compile? It does compile. Does this look any reliably good? No, nothing. It didn't work. But yeah, essentially he just write it down an HTML, which means I can even go like something like this: byte div div. But it doesn't feel like my DOM gets changed at any point. So there's the socket, there's the saved. This is getting sent. But we don't do shit. So I do need to find this example. Excuse me, I'm gonna run to the bathroom and go back and find the working example. The first hit I would want to do is, I remember that HTMX has a way to log. So that's extension, HTMX extensions, and supported by the HTMX team. There should be about, okay, debug. Extension includes, okay, so the debug would be 1000% great to have. And I'm gonna put it somewhere, I don't know where, because this guy already has an HTMX OS socket. Don't know if I can have two extensions. Because depends on, even though they're console debug function. Well, one thing I can try is to put it inside here. I go with HTMX equals debug. And we're gonna go in our, don't know if I have it saved. Okay, I don't think so. Here, this is where we put it. We recompile it. See if something gets printed out. Doesn't look like it. Okay, I'm still delivering it. Next thing I want to take a look at is the WebSocket. Oh, there it is. README. OS.js. This is the socket implementation. I don't care. HTMX web socket. Here's a simple example using WebSockets. Go run, curl, whatever. Let's take a look at what he does. Oh, it's also in Go, so actually very useful. Server webhook. Not using Gorilla. Okay. But I can assume I'm writing. Hopefully. There's a lot of stuff that I don't care. Wait. A simple extension is a simple example of using WebSocket with HTMX. Yeah, but bro, where's the where's the HTML? Did he embed it in the code? Yep. Son of a bitch. Okay. So HS WS, yes. WebSocket status. And that's about it. Doesn't look like anything especially interesting over here. Okay, see, we need to include the library. Main for our chat application. Yes. Establish a WebSocket connection and simply echo back any message received. Inside the container, we have a chat box to display the messages. So hxvs send. hx target chat box. Can deal with that. And basically, this is HTMX skill issue. So we put a target over here. And it would be, we can make it chat box. Chat messages makes more sense. Chat massage. How about now? Doesn't look like that's the correct one. So there's the ID, swap beforehand. Yeah, sure. It shouldn't really matter. I'm writing this guy over here, which is a div. Wait. Oh, I was hitting a lot of stuff. After send. Okay, so this is the object before send message, after send. So I'm receiving it. It is on server. It just isn't getting changed. I'm receiving it. So what I want is to understand why the swap is not happening. But it is here. This is the guy. This is the message. So that's great and also terrible. Why do I? Perhaps it has to be inside here. Don't know if that changes it. The other way that I'm missing up is maybe I'm not submitting it correctly, but really shouldn't matter that much since I still see it go off. Yes, it doesn't matter really. So it isn't, the problem is inside. So div ID chat container. Any name for your application has the socket connect attributes. Yes. This is a chat box. Yes. Son of a bitch. Let's take a look at HX target. Maybe that's the big idea. That's the big problem. Actually, one thing that we can try that is quite good at ChatGPT is asking him, hey, I see the message coming, but it won't swap the element. You see the issue? Which HX swap. Your HX chat message and HX swap are inside the form, but the website can actually work differently from normal IX request. Move swap to west second. Oh. Placing HX target inside the form. Set west swap before head. On the event that receives it. Hopefully you're right, you little oracle. Nope. Unlucky. Placing HX target. Explanation of the fix. West connect connects to socket. West send. West beforehand. Messages are below. No need to HX target. Yeah, I have the div that's been written. Oh. Is it perhaps that the problem? I don't know if this changes anything, but it's worth checking it out. Okay. 9. Still here. Doesn't swap. Son of a bitch. They get stuck. Yep, I got stuck. I might have to change. I might have to change. Either I'm dropping Arch or I'm dropping Zway. I don't know which one gives me these issues. But it gets stuck on a screen from time to time. Which is truly annoying. Okay, so speaking of this, I don't understand. Let's try to work it down. Keep telling me that there's an example somewhere, but there isn't. We can try YouTube. Same time, wouldn't be a big deal. I should be monitoring when my screen gets stuck. HTMX. Actually, HTMX web socket. I don't know why it does prompt my never translate. I don't need. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Never translate Italian. Never translate this site. No, I'm fine with never translating Italian. Was Is it Google who's trying to translate me? Are you stupid, Google? Okay, so this guy basically is going on about how, I don't know, audio. Yeah, that's fine. Do I need them for them to be separate? That's the big deal. Although it feels more like an example.
Hello guys, hope you're doing well.
Jesus Christ.
But it definitely was good enough for this use case. So we're only using this to actually handle our WebSocket connection, printing them out, and then we're sleeping for this location. So we've given it the .html.
Yeah.
You can see this is a script tag that pulls in. So what we need a couple of things. We want to keep.
I appreciate her having NeoBeam, but the cursor sliding like a slime is really distracting. So let's get down to the HTMX part.
Subscriber, so we can actually see. So all we're doing is work. So let's cast thing.
Okay, I'm gonna just take a look at the library. There it is. Just couldn't bear the examples. Jesus Christ. Okay. So there's the WS Connect. Got it. ID updating timestamps. I see no form here. WS send. Send. It doesn't do anything. I love getting stuck on stupid stuff. I think that this is not my kind of interactivity. I swear, Google, I'm gonna show.
Alright guys, and there we go. So we have here the chats. It's serving the index that is working. Then of bytes. Right. So this is the variable set. It requires clients need to do is basically
There's the HTMX part.
attributes. So if you're familiar with Go templates,
Yes, I'm familiar with the templates. So good. Take a look. My index. Okay, VS Connect, VS Flex chatroom before. Okay, the form is outside. No, it is inside of here. Hchecks are set on success. Submit your message. This looks precisely what I do. The only thing that I can change is doing something like that. And there are a lot more tags over here. Go up beforehand and whatever. Custom event is trusted bubble cancel composed current target nil. So I have a problem with the target substantially. id affirm text type text placeholder submit. This doesn't specify anything. And one other thing that I could do a try on is to new incognito and try that. Very well. No, again, we see it go, we don't see anything else. It is sent, it is received. HTMX current target null. Can I send him a picture? I believe I can. I want to try this. Doesn't work. I do receive the message. So the screenshot is confused that the second is being received. Assume it's not swapping. Check the agent set up correctly. Wes swap for him. Yeah. Span Wes up beforehand. Try changing it to this form. Wes send. Yes. The chat messages. Oh. Move the one of inside the element receive the WebSocket message. Doesn't. Screenshot we see this is correct because it changed to that, but not raw text or JSON. If yours is JSON, change it to the raw HTML or because it's valid HTML, not raw. You have a variable. Okay. Debugging steps. Open the tool network messages. Listen for the open event and run. Can do that. Making my index.js. I can put this. Run this browse. This is okay. And did I swap the messages? Yes. Okay. How about now? Okay, nope. Starting to feel very annoying.
We can pass in variables. For example, we know that we have the
This is terrible. Best swap. So this is the guy that should be getting swapped, but it doesn't. For any kind of reason. There's the send. There's the return. The only thing that makes me worried is perhaps a return. A call connection write a read to return receive message of size of bytes. Number of application byte as a message type. You can also send and receive message to using IO write closer or your reader interface. The WebSocket protocol distinguishes between text and binary data message. Text message entered as UTF-8 encoded text. So okay, text message binary contains identified to data message. They read the text and next method used to receive the message. Tag app the next slide. The application responsive to ensure text message are by UTF-8 encoded. Yeah. doesn't look like that's a big deal. I got stuck again. Nah, man, I need to spend some time fixing this. But I tried. I really tried. I don't know why. But basically, I have to swap away from Rust. If I find no alternatives, I could try and change how I was installing this guy. But I don't know if it is. Pipe wire keeps crashing. Rust. Can they use anything else for this stuff? Literally. But it did crash very pipe wire logs. Take a look. Don't quite seemingly understand any of this. Does it look like bad or anything else? Error. Negotiating. No more input files. Truly need to take some time today and trying to fix this deal. I don't even know where the problem stands. Honestly, I'm just willing to flat pack OBS. But last time I remember I was not able to do a lot of stuff. If it keeps up better, maybe, but I don't know. Seemingly I'm the only one having that issue. And I thought it was the ads bot, and it wasn't, so let's apologetically go back to Seribot and reactivate the timer for the ads. Add timer on. There he goes. Okay, so that's good. And I'm gonna try to change and install it with the flat hub. So everything else, this is a bad point of failure. So the suggestions would be, I have this done. Still want to swap. What should be on div, not span. Ensure the socket server sends proper HTML. Check if it is processing the response. Manually debug. Force to swap inside the listener. Okay, I can do that. Though it feels like a crutch. I can try and do that. That's what should be happening without this code. I'm reading it top down. Now I'm scared for the. Now I'm scared for having it down. I should. Can I like see the chat and the stream? Is there a way? Yes, this works better. This works better. God damn it. Okay. This way I can take a look from time to time, see what's going on. Well, yeah. And then focus to flash. Okay, let's take a look about this guy. Prototype current target. So this is the usage that he expects me to do. Endpoint content descent from the website will be parsed as HTML swapped in by the property using the same logic of auto-path swaps. I really need to read the logic. The HX swap allows you to specify that some content in response should be swapped into the DOM somewhere older than the target that is auto-banned. This allows you to piggyback updates. ED alerts true. So swapped into the target the usual manner. The second div, however, will be swapped in a replacement for the element where the 8 ID alerts and will not end up in the target. The value HX swap can be true, any HX value, any HX swap value. Open to notification div. I mean, I can try this. See if that's the big deal. That's not the big deal. My disappointment is immeasurable. What's this? Configuration, receiving, sending, automatic connection, HTMX. Wasn't there a way to take a look at this guy? Sending automatic reconnect event. I remember there being some kind of web socket. God damn it. I remember there was some semblance of example. HTMX. Script test. The website is built in Zola. So no. OSS. OS. Okay, there's the extension. Let's start with the examples. Okay. Maybe web components. Not really. Value, tabs, sortable, progress bar, infinite scroll. Okay, this is basically the same thing. Yeah, there's no examples that I need. No, there's only web components. Am I blind? Do I remember there being an example? I am blind. It has to be like that. Okay, I'm desperate. Let's go on the GitHub and say HTMX web socket. Take a look at that. Looking good. Index. Okay, so there's a WS Connect. Got it. HS extension. Got it. Form. Yes. This guy. Okay, I can even simply. Oh, I can. Oh, I can see the end tailwind. Probably a great idea. Okay, let's try and do it like that. Yeah, like this. But we will be connecting to wait. This is the deal. Okay, got the index covered. The WebSocket will be socket. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that is going in annoying. We would want to comment this just so that I don't get overly confused, and socket. But yeah, on the surface level, I'm doing the same exact shit. Like the only things that I didn't put in here are like those two. I can always just put them in. and it's not going. And the other ones, so I connect. I have a form which would make a voice send, and this simply will send. But forcing it works. Unless I'm missing something. Out of Go, people. Go, people, go. Chat ages. Where's a connect? HX. Send. Target. Yeah. Chat. Messages. Didn't work. Son of a bitch. Input, text placeholder, button, submit. Didn't yet try the changing to a button. Did I? I mean, at the end of the day, it shouldn't change really nothing. Because this is still a submission. So yeah, changes absolutely nothing. This guy is still the same. What's the message that I'm supposed to send? Is monsters. Yeah, the submit is truly not needed. Oh, I don't quite understand. Looks like everything is good. Am I just download this guy and try and see if his work? Why? Git clone this guy. cd go rtc. And in the readme to be go mod tidy go run. Should kill this. So he did went gorilla and HTMX. Exactly my situation. Okay, the downloading is taking quite some time. Okay, this looks a little bit go run. Also, it doesn't tell me anything about cost 8080. Okay, so there's the chat. Send. It does work in his case, son of a bitch. Client. Username, client, pump, right pump. Connection close for select case. Okay, set the next writer. Write message. Message at was message reader. JSON decoder. Decode. It stopped. Oh yeah, turn it off. Oh my lord. Okay. Couldn't even tell if it works here. I can do it over here, perhaps. The player menu. Wait, why does it going away? Hold up. And it goes away. Why was a big deal? I'm extremely confused. How long are we going here? 1 hour. So this guy obviously does something different. The extension. We have the connect. Have the form and the send. The only thing that makes me dubious is then the actual writing of the message. Or the client. I don't know which one of those would write it. So this is the read message. I ran the write. Okay, so he would write next writer, write W write message. And what am I doing? Con write message type. Okay, now the message type could be part of the problem. Socket ping message. WebSocket dot message. Oh, binary close control. So the text message. Okay, wasn't that lucky? But there are some stuff over there. There is something to it. Alright, message types are helpful to getting the next writer, writing the message and closing the writer. Yeah. There's a text data message. The message payload is interpreted as UTF encoded data. Is there like HTML? Text. Looks like text is probably the way to go. Yeah, so he would write down a text message. Is there any difference from how it gets interpreted when I see it afterwards? No, it's just a TF monster. He's here. Yeah. And looks like I'm stuck again. Yep. So it crashed. But only my screen capture. Right then, pipewire, let's take a look. Yeah, this is getting literally. This is unbearable. They're getting annoying day by day. After some curious amount of time, it will always back out. And I don't know. More than seeing it here, I don't know what the other issue could be. Let's take a look at what the ChatGPT said once again. The only one that works is by passing HTMX. Yeah, but this is not something that I want. This should be able to swap it on its own. Like this should be happening. There's something, some way that doesn't work. Just works means that changes in the response by it's swapping root cause swap. Yes, for which based on a specific target. Okay. Can try this as well. There should be like problem with like a bug in how to detect website message to avoid the usual user problem so that always add even if HTMX fails. Yeah, but shouldn't it tell me if it fails? Do I have to debug it on a higher scale? Trigger, validate, config. Wait, might this be because my page is reloaded? No, my page is not reloaded. So there's the monster before. So before message, after message. Cancelable, current target, return value, custom event. I guess where it's the same exact thing. There is an error some way. I just don't know yet which one it is. This fucking guy works. Looks like a charm. Message received. Message. Reader, decoder, decode. Okay. We are getting locked out. Kinda don't want to spend so much time debugging for today. Like I'm lost for ideas as to where to go next. That's the big deal. Because it looks good to me. And it feels bad to be stuck for such a long time. Why the player gets always so bugged. What was it? HX X equals debug. Could be because I have two forms. Why is it reloading specifically? So there's more bugs that are quite interesting. Oh, because of that's the wrong link. Yeah. How do I get the absolute link? Should be like localhost socket, perhaps. Is there any way that I can just put the whole link, the whole deal? Let's make it like that. So it doesn't connect to shit. Validate, send after before message. I mean, I might be conditioned to do that. I don't want to, but I might be forced to. I really don't want to. Let's connect to full link. Okay, so that's how it should work. Not of this. Does it work? Was S is that the correct one? Yeah, that's him. Yeah. Yeah, now. I need some more boosting power here. but I truly don't see what is going on. One thing that we could do is try to debug using this chat. Very atrociously big. Okay, one thing that can be interesting. So let's go to our head, and our head goes here, right? Then we can do something like, what was it? Text debug. And we can take a look at what his call is doing. Looks like the same thing. And we want to see, oh, so that's the stuff. So the after send, it looks like it's the same. But there's okay. So the difference here is that we have let's make some wait. So after process node, we don't care. You send a message. Validation. After send. And that's about it. So I'm missing the part that is swapping is the ob. Detail to chat room. Process node. Text right. So I'm totally missing the ob. Completely missing the ob. And he's achieving the ob. It's because how he parsed the text. One interesting thing is that is this template. That's one interesting stuff. Okay, get message template. So one thing that can be tried is that I could try and pass him an actual template. Maybe that's the big issue. So let's say in our templates, we'll make like message.html. No. And this will contain like whatever, it really doesn't matter that much. hello. Like supposedly that's our stuff. Okay, add it to must compile. And how did I select? Message. Okay. Good. And the final one would be like the execute. The way that he writes it down is tpl.bytes. Okay. Let's try it again. Before and after message. There's some stuff that's not getting executed, so it's not because of the template. Like, I'm getting the stuff, it's simply that I'm not executing any of it. So that's the deal. So there's the problem, essentially speaking. I can drop the player menu. Okay. So essentially, the big deal is that I'm not doing a bunch of stuff. That must be because of this. I could swear they put these guys already in. Like, I'm not getting any more events. Unless it does have a bearing of the ID. Because we've seen over here that this message HTML has an ID of chat room and a swap before and. So I'm gonna try first. Let's go like this. After send, before, after send, nothing. Then the other thing we can do is to make it to add a couple of stuff like inside the message. It to be like this. Trigger valid config before, after, before, after. No. Nope, 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 nope. Simply not it, chief. Here there is a bunch of other shit. Which, by the way, honestly, I just should change it to 8081. That would help me out tremendously. Okay. So the ob before swap. So the HTMX trigger. We have the trigger. Yes. Then we go for the validation. And we have the validation. Sick. Config send. Well, that's interesting. Wait a fucking minute. Did I? Can I shoot myself? Still doesn't, but that might had something to do with it. Not sure. Probably does. Okay, and you have before send. Okay, and the after send we should have before send. There's the chat message. After send, there's the chat message, so text headers, whatever. And then I should be having ob before process, after process, load. But I have before message, after message, which is nothing like that. So there shall be an op. Somewhere there should be an op. Okay, so like this is the specific of the element. And what's more can we steal from here? Horn doesn't have anything new. Input doesn't have anything interesting. And that was the button, basically. Is it because there's text in here? Nope. Beforehand, it's because of the element? Why does this work? Don't mind me, I'm happy that it works. But why? And check swap. Excuse me, but what? No, it doesn't work. Is it because of the room? No. Is it because of the div? But it isn't really because of the div, because this works. Johnny. Wait, does it have to be called chat room? God, is shitting me. I have to read this source code. I'm not gonna lie, this is shit design. Fuck am I supposed to know? Wait, is it because of this guy, Shawnee? Okay. Whatever. We made it. So that's something. Just will drop the content inside. And this should replace it. Nope. Whatever, that's another day. For today, that's okay. We're just shy of 2 hours. And I believe there's only one of us on board, so we can just close it up. So I'd see you another day. Hopefully I fixed OBS by that day. Bye bye.